This must-see contemporary home has been loved and cared for. Many updates throughout, including a new roof 2024, new HVAC/water heater in 2020. The 3-bed, 3-bath home is full of natural light, great woodwork, new LVP flooring and carpet throughout. Kitchen has beautiful custom-built oak cabinetry west/glass fronts, a center island, and a gourmet pantry. Kitchen is open to the dining room that has sliders to a screened-in porch and deck. The great room features soaring 22-high ceilings, a wonderful gas log, brick fireplace. 2 large bedrooms with walk-in closets and a bath west/dual sinks complete the main floor. Upstairs is a den that overlooks the great room. The master suite is fabulous west/sliders leading out to private deck, 2 large closets, 1 walk-in, and the bath west/dual sink. There is also an attic area to be used for extra storage. The basement has a finished full bath, 8-poured basement walls, gym area, and a bonus room added in 2023. Updates: 2024 new roof, 2022 new carpet throughout, excluding master. 2022 new LVP throughout main bedroom, kitchen/dining/entrance/basement. 2022 master bath complete remodel. 2022 new cooktop and microwave. 2021 new light fixtures/ceiling.